My dear students, welcome back to my YouTube English channel, English with Malik Sir. In the previous two units of adjective series, we have discussed very clearly in connection with the definition of adjectives, 12 various types of adjectives, as adjective is a decorative or ornamental part of speech. It is frequently used in our noun phrases in order to decorate or ornament the language. Therefore, students should know a lot of adjectives of different types so that they can feel comfortable at the time of their expression. Okay, this is made for the secondary, higher secondary, and also the juniors side by side, the advanced learners. Okay, formation of typical adjective. What do you mean by typical adjectives? Let's see how. Many adjectives qualify nouns and side by side pronouns with their usual form, means normal forms. Okay. However, there are some other adjectives which have typical form, which is created adding suitable suffixes such as able. Here, desire is the word, and if we use the suffix able, then we find desirable, able, contempt, contemptible. Is the suffix. If we add at the end of child, then we find childish, like, childlike activities. Full, hopeful, be hopeful. Less, don't be hopeless. Us, yes, dangerous. Suffix ly, friendly behavior. All, musical. We, collective. Here, higher, highest. Some, troublesome. In, sunken boat. Fold, fourfold. Editorial. Ical, mathematical. Heroic activity. Ian, trust, Christian. IAC here, China, Chinese. Aid, excited. Ing, exciting story. Yes, I felt excited. Suffix y, dust, dusty, grass, grassy, snow, snowy. We will discuss. Activate, occative, and so on. These are typical adjectives which are formed adding suffixes at the end of nouns, verbs, or adjectives. A number of typical adjectives can be formed. So this is really the very interesting way how to enter into the world of adjectives so that we can understand them and use them at the time of our speaking and writing. This is the magic of formation of noun phrases and ornament and decorate our phrases with the help of such type of typical adjectives along with the original adjectives. Okay, part 1, by suffixing al, il, and kal, two nouns. Yes, it means at the end of noun, if we use suffix al, ial, ical, definitely we form typical adjectives. Let's see how. Yes, nouns and adjectives. My dear students, remember here, this is very important factor that if we know these typical adjectives and use them with a head noun in order to make noun phrases, then it will be suitable on our part at the time of writing and speaking. Let's see how. Accident, accidental. For example, accidental love, accidental insurance, accidental death. Nation, national flag, national anthem. Crime, criminal case. Occasion, occasional rain, occasional arrival. The original language. Environment, environmental issue, environmental impact. Ecology, ecological imbalance, ecological problems. Mythical figure, mythical hero. Mind, mental disorder, mental health, spirit, spiritual world, nature, natural atmosphere, natural medicine, voice, vocal cord, brutal murder, brutal activities, palatial, musical night, musical program, tutorial class, tropical animals, tropical plants, hypothetical, I mean what's hypothetical the statements, physical, health, anatomical matter, yes, marginal, traditional teaching, traditional way of living, logical, argument, experimental issues, essential things, personal problem, personal property, universal truth, universal problem, financial problem, financial issue, remedial measure, remedial steps, regional development, technical teaching, technical person, technological matter, conditional clause, rhetorical question, rhetorical answer, classical dance, classical song, intellectual person, cultural development, cultural heritage, society, social issues, social development, parental care, commercial relationship, history, historical event, mathematical problem, mathematical solution, educational development, which is very necessary key factor for success in every field of activity, geographical location, grammatical error, ethical knowledge, economical problem, central government, central figure, philosophical thought here, mechanical person, professional person, professional subject, verbal agreement, verbal statement. Okay, next come magical change, occasional rain, occasional visit, periodical change, editorial board, editorial writing, habitual activities, official, and departmental matter, yes, type, typical adjective, facial appearance, horizon, yes, horizontal line, agricultural improvement, bridal procession, bridal gown, and yes, bridal party. Next come terminal disease, intentional harassment. Next, influential person, additional topic, additional collector, digital marketing, digital problem, the naval power, we find industrial revolution, industrial growth, seasonal fruits. Okay, next, seasonal change, experiment, experimental. The experimental basis, mythological character, astronomy, yes, astronomical events, chronological order, circumstantial evidence, circumstantial witness, cylindrical object, clerical post, clerical error, suicidal issue, suicidal step, coastal villages, coastal areas, ancestral property, ceremonial dress, ceremonial occasion, okay. Now colonial power, floral tribute. With this, I come to conclude this segment, and this is really very interesting and important idea. If you want to write and speak properly with the ornamentation of your language, then it can be possible with the help of adjectives and adverbs, because they are the describing words, okay. Therefore, it is very essential on your part to go through this video, take interest in all the typical adjectives, so that you can easily ornament your noun phrases and express your desired feelings or of the thought of your mind, okay. Hope you must have enjoyed this segment. Go through the video, listen the way how we make the noun phrases with the help of typical adjectives. Send this video to the persons, those who are in the way of learning a lot in English, okay. Take down in your notebooks. Thank you for being with me. Wish you a happy and a healthy new year 2026. See you in the next segment. Till then, goodbye.